Hello, everyone. Welcome to day one of our English listening podcast. I'm really happy that you're here today. Before we begin, I want you to do one simple thing. Put your phone down if you can. Take a comfortable seat. Relax your shoulders. Take a slow, deep breath. Now just listen. Don't worry about understanding every single word. Your only job today is to enjoy listening to English. Let's begin. Have you ever noticed how small habits can completely change your life? Most people think success comes from doing something big. But I don't think that's true. I believe success starts with very small actions. For example, waking up just 15 minutes earlier every morning may not seem important. But imagine doing that every day for 1 year. You suddenly have many extra hours to learn, read, exercise, or simply think about your goals. Small habits work quietly. You don't always notice the results immediately. Sometimes nothing seems to change for weeks. Sometimes even months. And then, one day, you realize that you've become a completely different person. I remember a time when I wanted to improve my English. At first, I thought I needed to study grammar for hours every day. But that didn't work for me. I felt tired. I lost motivation. Then I tried something different. Instead of studying for hours, I started listening to English for just 10 minutes every day. I listened while making breakfast. I listened while walking outside. Sometimes I listened before going to bed. Slowly, something amazing happened. Without realizing it, I started understanding more. Words that once sounded difficult became familiar. Sentences became easier to follow. I didn't feel like I was studying more. I was simply enjoying the language. That's the power of consistency. You don't have to be perfect. You just have to keep going. Many people give up too early because they expect fast results. They study for 1 week and think nothing is changing. But learning doesn't work like magic. Your brain needs time. Every time you listen to English, your brain notices patterns. It remembers words. It remembers pronunciation. Even when you think you're not learning, your brain is still working. That's why I always say, trust the process. Be patient with yourself. Imagine planting a small seed in the ground. You don't expect a tree the next morning. You water it. You protect it. You wait. Day after day, something is happening beneath the soil, even though you can't see it. Learning English is very similar. Every podcast you listen to is like giving water to that seed. One day, your confidence will grow. One day, you'll watch a movie and understand most of it. One day, you'll have a conversation without translating every sentence in your head. That day will come, but only if you keep listening. I also want to remind you that making mistakes is completely normal. Every fluent English speaker has made thousands of mistakes. The difference is that they didn't stop. They kept speaking. They kept listening. They kept learning. So don't be afraid of mistakes. Be afraid of giving up. Today is only day 1. You don't need to become fluent today. You only need to complete today's practice. Sometimes people ask me a simple question. They ask, how can I become more confident in English? My answer is always the same. Confidence doesn't come first. Practice comes first. The more you practice, the more confident you become. Think about riding a bicycle. The first time, you may feel nervous. You might even fall. But after practicing many times, riding a bicycle becomes easy. Speaking English is exactly the same. At first, every sentence feels difficult. You stop in the middle. You search for words. You worry about making mistakes. But after enough practice, speaking becomes natural. That's why you should never compare yourself to other people. Everyone has a different journey. Someone may have started learning English 5 years ago. Someone else may have studied in an English medium school. Your journey is different. Focus only on your own progress. If you know 1 more word today than yesterday, you are improving. If you understand 1 more sentence today than last week, you are improving. These small improvements are very powerful. I also believe that curiosity is one of the best teachers. Whenever I hear a new word, I become curious. I want to know its meaning. I want to know how people use it. I try to notice it in movies, podcasts, and conversations. After hearing it several times, I naturally remember it. This is much easier than trying to memorize long vocabulary lists. Learning should feel interesting. It shouldn't feel like a punishment. That's why I enjoy listening to conversations. Real conversations teach us how people actually speak. Books are helpful. Grammar is important. But listening helps us understand rhythm, pronunciation, and natural expressions. Sometimes I listen to the same podcast more than once. The first time, I simply enjoy it. The second time, I notice new words. The third time, I understand almost everything. Repeating the same audio is not boring. It is one of the fastest ways to improve your listening skills. Another important habit is reading out loud. Even if nobody is listening, reading aloud helps your mouth become familiar with English sounds. At first, it may feel strange, but after a few weeks, you will notice that your pronunciation becomes clearer. You don't have to sound like a native speaker. Your goal is to speak clearly. Clear communication is much more important than having a perfect accent. One thing I really enjoy is meeting people from different countries. Every conversation teaches me something new. Sometimes I learn a new word. Sometimes I learn about a different culture. Language is not only about words. Language connects people. It allows us to share stories, ideas, dreams, and experiences. That is one of the reasons I love English. It gives us the opportunity to communicate with millions of people around the world. Imagine being able to travel anywhere and have a simple conversation. Imagine ordering food, asking for directions, making new friends, or attending an interview with confidence. These are real benefits of learning English. Every minute you spend listening today is an investment in your future. So don't think of today's practice as just another video. Think of it as one more step toward your goal. Some days you will feel motivated. Some days you won't. And that's completely normal. The secret is not motivation. The secret is discipline. Keep showing up. Keep listening. Even 10 minutes a day can create amazing results over time. As we finish today's session, I want you to remember one simple sentence. Small progress every day leads to big success one day. Keep that sentence in your mind. Repeat it whenever you feel like giving up. Thank you once again for listening. I truly appreciate your time. I hope this podcast made your day a little better. One last thing. Tomorrow's podcast is even more interesting. We'll talk about how to sound more natural and confident in English during everyday conversations. Trust me, you don't want to miss it. See you in day 2.